How to share Instagram collections. Instagram allows you to save posts into collections. If you have a private collection, you won't be able to share it. Private collections are only visible to you. However, if you want to create a new collection that you can share with others, you need to make it a collaborative collection. Start by finding a post you want to save. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post, then tap Save. Instead of adding it to an existing private collection, choose New Collaborative Collection. Now, you can give your collection a name and select the people you want to share it with. You can choose anyone from your Instagram contacts. Once you've selected the people, tap Save in the top right corner. From now on, whenever you save a post to this collection, the people you added will also be able to see it. They can add posts to the collection as well. That's how to share Instagram collections.